how to add dimensions and 2D detail annotations in 3D. First, I need to go to 3D. Then we need to change projection mode. If it's perspective, we need to make it orthographic. This by default is orthographic, so I'll leave it as is. Then I need to duplicate this 3D view with detailing. I can rename. Then I need to lock this 3D view to prevent any orientation. Here, lock, save orientation in lock view. So next I can add texts, dimensions, and whatever I want. So let's add dimensions here. Sometimes dimensions might not look right, or they might not show the right properties. So for that, we might use work planes. So for instance, if I want to measure vertically in this side, I need to go to architecture. Here, set the drop down, pick a plane, select this face. Now I can measure this one in this face like this. So now this dimension is facing this work plane, this face. So again, I can dimension here, from here to here. It is the same in this plane, work plane. So if I need different orientation for this dimension, for instance, I might need to pick a plane of this face. Let's make and see the change. Pick a plane, click this face. Now I can dimension the same thing from this one, from here to here, but the work plane is the horizontal, not the vertical one. I can dimension something like this, and I can delete if I like this one. I can move something like this. Again, I can says pick a plane for this face, modify dimension from here to here, like this, the vertical one. In addition, I can go to annotation and I can place different things from here, like the spot elevation and the slope if there is any, and other 2D elements, the text, like this. I can add leaders, click leader plus, something like this.